Google turned NotebookLM into a three-model film studio that converts raw research notes into animated documentaries in minutes. The mechanics behind this transformation are largely undocumented. What we are looking at is a complex hidden architecture sitting behind a massive paywall. Most coverage stops at the output magic, but the reality is much harsher. This capability costs $250 a month and is geo-locked strictly to the United States. This represents a fundamental shift in how research is consumed. We are moving past reading dense text. Instead, we watch data translated directly into temporal animation. That permanently alters the baseline expectation for complex data processing.
Google orchestrates a three-model production pipeline to pull this off. One model simply cannot handle the cognitive load. Gemini 3 operates as the creative director. It locks down narrative structure, script timing, and logical flow before rendering a single frame. Then Nano Banana Pro steps in as the designer, generating the necessary static visual assets and specific scene compositions. Finally, Veo 3 acts as the filmmaker, injecting the fluid temporal animation that binds those static assets together.
The system maintains visual engagement through high-capacity parallel generation. It is processing multiple background assets, subtle character movements, and complex 3D text features all at the exact same time. This synchronized rendering ensures the final output feels like a professional documentary, avoiding that flat, static presentation style. Preventing visual lag during generation requires immense computational coordination, a feat rarely achieved at this scale. Early testers are running into a stark reality. Vague instructions guarantee failure. Style prompt specificity is not optional, it is mandatory. Without explicit direction, the AI defaults to generic, uninspired visual representations that actively dilute the research. The engine relies on explicit, granular commands to assign accurate visual weight to specific concepts. Consider a dense theoretical physics paper on entropy. By mandating a highly technical blueprint aesthetic, the engine translates mathematical text into spatial relationships. The abstract science becomes a coherent visual sequence. It registers instantly for the viewer, entirely bypassing the need for tedious manual decoding. Executing this pipeline requires a precise initiation protocol. First, compile a dedicated notebook containing specific PDFs or highly structured research notes. Next, trigger the cinematic video option directly within the Studio panel to launch the generation pipeline. At that point, the system takes control. It analyzes the raw documents for key narrative anchor points to map out the entire production. A recent mini case study, testing a medical insurance eligibility verification project, demonstrated immediate value. The raw procedural text was exceptionally dense and difficult to parse. The cinematic video function animated the entire verification flow, forcing complex bureaucratic terminology to click instantly. The temporal nature of the video mapped perfectly to the step-by-step insurance process, proving this tech solves severe comprehension bottlenecks rather than just making aesthetic media. Another medical researcher applied this pipeline to a 50-page clinical paper, automatically generating a concise patient education video. This direct translation from technical document to animated brief eliminated a traditional video production cost of $5,000. It accelerated the distribution of crucial health information to the target demographic without requiring an entire production crew.
But here is the hidden financial reality that alters the accessibility landscape. At $250 a month, this subscription represents the most expensive consumer product Google has ever launched. This barrier to entry completely changes the target demographic. It restricts the technology entirely to high-budget enterprise users and specialized professionals who require constant media generation to justify the steep monthly overhead. The strict access tiers reveal the massive computational cost Google is currently subsidizing. Free users receive zero access to video generation. Pro users see a partial rollout limited to 2 videos per day. Only Ultra subscribers paying the premium rate gain full access, capped at 20 videos daily. Look at the gap between the Pro and Ultra tiers. Processing fluid video natively through large language models requires vast server resources, and Google is aggressively limiting access to subsidize that cost. The workflow restrictions remain severe for all current users. There is zero capability to edit individual scenes post-generation. A single error requires a full 20 to 30-minute regeneration. A strict age gate also restricts the feature to users 18 and older, actively locking out the younger students who would benefit most from these automated study aids.
Users are paying enterprise rates but relying entirely on flawless upfront prompt engineering.
The system also suffers from persistent stability issues. The AI occasionally hallucinates floating artifacts that break visual immersion entirely. Worse, it demonstrates a frustrating tendency to ignore specific style commands, reverting to its baseline aesthetics despite detailed prompting. These visual glitches waste daily generation limits and disrupt professional workflows with time-consuming reruns. A critical beginner mistake is uploading unstructured, messy notes. This immediately breaks the generation pipeline. Producing a coherent narrative requires uploading well-structured PDFs equipped with clear headings and logical document hierarchies. The system demands semantic structure. It is not just reading text, it is reading the hierarchy of the data to accurately map out the timeline and assign proper pacing to the content.
Confirmed updates indicate significant infrastructure improvements are imminent. The Gemini 3.5 rollout will pair with a new anti-gravity upgrade, which attaches a secure cloud computer to each notebook. This is vital because it allows the AI to spin up Python environments to generate accurate data visualizations on the fly while performing deep web research to augment the generated content. This expands the system from a static document reader into an active research assistant capable of verifying its own scripts.
Speculation continues regarding when these capabilities will reach wider audiences. There are currently no confirmed timelines for an international rollout or indications of when these premium features might become accessible to lower pricing tiers. Even for those not paying $250 today, understanding this trajectory matters. The massive overhead costs suggest global, affordable availability remains distant, setting a firm baseline for future enterprise AI pricing. The contrarian truth is that NotebookLM is merely a testing ground. Google is utilizing this expensive lockdown feature to validate a complex, three-model creative architecture in the wild. This exact pipeline is destined to power automated video creation across the entire Google Workspace and YouTube ecosystems. The data gathered here will dictate the future parameters of automated media production. Would you pay $250 a month for an AI film studio that can't edit individual scenes? Or would you rather wait for the tech to become a standard $20 feature? If this video gave you value, smash that like button and subscribe to the AI Explainer for daily AI updates and hit the bell so you never miss a breakdown. Stay sharp, stay ahead, and I'll see you in the next one.